So I'm working with Salvatore. He's from Italy, and we don't understand each other's language, but
Very good, bello.
very good, bello. But we can still communicate, and that's what I find so interesting.
Simpatico.
Simpatico. And it's a thing, you know, even you don't speak the same language, you can still communicate. And he amazes me. He's 82 years old.
In salita no habla.
No, and he has walked the Camino since he retired.
In salita respira e basta.
And he doesn't like to walk when he's going uphill. He asks me to be silent. So yeah, the miracles of Camino. You meet so many different interesting people, and communication can be without language. And yeah.